Looking for the best driveway alarms to keep your home safe and secure? You're in the right place. We upload quality videos every day to help you discover the top products that make life easier. Stick around to find the perfect driveway alarm for your needs, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful reviews. Number 1. IMMacros Long-Range Solar Wireless Driveway Alarm. You'll never replace a driveway alarm battery again with the IMMacros Long-Range Solar Wireless Driveway Alarm System. The passive infrared PIR detection sensor can be adjusted horizontally or vertically. It's powered by a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery. While you don't need to charge the batteries, you can with a 5-volt direct current, DC 5V, power adapter if the weather prevents it from charging. This solar driveway alarm system can be fully expanded to add an unlimited number of sensors and receivers, thus giving you complete coverage of your home. With a long receiving range of half a mile, this weatherproof system will dependably alert you to activity on your property. You can adjust the sensitivity of this solar driveway alarm to keep animals or kids from tripping the wire. Number 2. Dependability and weather resistance are just two of the many things you'll get with the Guardine wireless driveway alarm. This device minimizes false alarms with its adjustable detection option, sunshade, and swivel mount. Wireless and durable, this driveway alarm has a 500-foot range. When an object or person comes within 40 feet of the device's angled eye, your receiving device will chime just like a doorbell. The plug-and-play device allows you to easily install it and adjust the volume of the alarm. Plus, you can customize this system to add up to 16 sensors and receivers. Ordinarily, the installation of the equipment by a technician is the most costly part of a home security system. But this set is easy to install, and you won't have to worry about anyone else knowing about it. Installation tip: do not point sensor towards sun. Number 3. Soft solar motion sensor and plug-in receiver system. Solar-powered driveway alarms are easily an eco-friendly option, and the soft solar driveway alarm system is no exception. The solar wireless motion sensor never needs replacement batteries because this security system's lithium-ion battery is charged by a solar panel. The fully weatherproof design allows it to charge in bad weather. The sensor has up to a quarter-mile of transmission range and a detection range of up to 50 feet with an adjustable sensitivity setting. Expandable with up to 32 sensors, this system can also be adjusted through its 4 volume levels and 35 melodies. You can even match a melody with a specific sensor so you know exactly which area is detecting motion. Plus, it doesn't hurt that the kit is easy to install and can be set up and running in minutes. The system is expandable up to 32 sensors and unlimited alarm receivers for complete coverage of your property. The wireless receiver has 4 volume levels adjustment and 35 ring tones optional. Number 4. Fosman Wavelink Wireless Motion Doorbell Sensor. This completely wireless and easy-to-use driveway alarm kit is ready to go after you plug it into an available 110-volt outlet. With motion sensors detecting up to 16.5 feet of distance, the Fosman Wavelink wireless home security driveway alarm can alert the indoor receiver up to 500 feet away. The alert can be customized by choosing 58 ringtones and volume control levels. The LED lights also flash when someone is approaching, so it's a great option for people with hearing loss. You can use up to 10 transmitters and receivers to have full protection around your home. Homeowners or business owners can use the doorbell to be alerted when people enter or leave. Use it to detect visitors through the front or back door. The portable design is easy to install in homes, offices, stores, and can also be used for mailboxes, garages, driveways, and more. Number 5. Dakota Alert Long-Range Driveway Alarm. Those who need a durable driveway alarm in the dead of winter can rely on this model from Dakota Alert. Made with a long 100-foot motion sensing range, this alarm can withstand temperatures of -31 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for all-season use. This model will detect motion and send an alert to the receiver at distances of up to 1 mile, making it ideal for residential, commercial, or rural areas. For accurate motion sensing, this alarm can be used with up to 16 sensors that can all be paired with the same receiver for ease of use. The unit includes a 9-volt battery and a 12 VDC output, and the battery should only require charging once a year. Need more? This Dakota alarm comes with 4 different volume levels and a strobe warning light, making it ideal for those who are hearing impaired. For those who want even more options, our IMMacros alert line includes two-way radios, vehicle sensing probes, motion detectors, and vehicle sensors.